Your marketing efforts to promote your product or service will be a combination of website articles, blog posts, social media posts, more traditional face-to-face networking, and word-of-mouth referrals. In this training, I have been highlighting the possibility of automating as many functions as possible to have your online business system functioning and performing for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you are publishing valuable and helpful content online relating to your niche and industry, the search engines will visit this content to include it in their search engine results pages, SERPs, when people enter related keywords or key phrases. The downside of this method of getting traffic, called search engine optimization, SEO, is that it can take a long time for the content to be listed. Also, the competition for popular keywords makes appearing in the results, like appearing on the first page, unpredictable. Some people call SEO free traffic, meaning that you don't pay for organic search engine results. This ignores the hundreds of hours you have to spend producing and optimizing your content, which has a definite cost to it. Consider PPC, pay-per-click, to create initial traffic. Previously, we have discussed generating traffic by appearing in the search engine results. Even though we're giving you some clues of how to appear in the organic search engine results quickly, PPC is a way to generate instant traffic if you have a little budget available. PPC is a way to generate instant traffic. Pay-per-click advertising is a method of bidding on keywords and key phrases so that when your advert is seen in the search engine rankings, at the top, right side, or bottom of the page, and somebody clicks on your advert, it will arrive at your website for a specific cost per click. You set a daily limit for your expenditure and you are fully in control of how much you pay for each keyword. Our advice is that you bid the minimum possible, 5 cents, on a keyword initially, and let the system tell you what the minimum you must bid to appear on the first page. If you have created good website copy that converts visitors into customers, pay-per-click advertising can launch your website instantly. Assuming that the profit on your product or service is higher than the CPC, cost per click, bid, you will start to see your online business income building swiftly. Once you have an effective online business system in place that you have refined and is working perfectly in converting leads into customers, your main role is to continue with online marketing to drive more and more, specifically targeted, traffic to your landing page. If you have set up your system correctly, everything that happens after they arrive at your landing page should happen automatically, 24 hours a day. Except for driving traffic, which can be done by PPC, pay-per-click advertising, you will have little or nothing to do other than to investigate your next niche subject and set up an additional online business system. Paying for traffic and leads. There are free ways to generate visitors, but when you consider the time required to make this effective, and the delay to getting your system live, there is a real opportunity cost. The quickest way to get your online business off the ground is to carefully buy traffic to your website or social media pages. The 3 recommended places to buy your traffic are Facebook ads, Google AdWords, and Bing ads. Here is a brief introduction to the 3 main advertising options. The first is Facebook ads. This has become the best form of advertising because of the very detailed targeting. Facebook holds massive data on your likes, interests, and personal details. This allows you to target your adverts specifically to people interested in your product or service. You will need to set up a Facebook business page for your product or service to use this facility. Google AdWords. AdWords is the next most popular and the longest running advertising option. The main benefit is that they have massive data on what people search for, and the keywords or key phrases they use. So your adverts will be triggered based on the subject people are searching for. Bing ads. While Bing is not as big as Google, it works the same way and you can actually import Google adverts and campaigns into the Bing ads account. The benefit is that the adverts are cheaper, and because Bing was based on the old MSN.com search engine and is now integrated with Skype, owned by Microsoft, so the reach is quite good. Your advertising actions are: you should visit each of these 3 advertising options below so you can compare and investigate them. Although there are a great many PPC advertising options, which you can find by searching on the internet, these are the most well-known and popular PPC advertising options. Set up a personal Facebook page and a Facebook ads account. You will need to add your PayPal account to make payments. Visit the Facebook business page and watch the videos about setting up a Facebook business page. Register for a Google AdWords account. Register for a Bing AdWords account. In each account, learn about pay-per-click. You can also learn PPC strategies on YouTube.